So this is a tennis shoe. This is a tennis shoe.
Okay.
Most of the shoes I had here are tennis shoes.
Wow.
So we're looking for a quality shoes, canvas. You can contact me. I have squash, I have badminton, I have a lot.
Is that a brand name?
Yeah, no, yes, squash.
Okay.
That's the name of the sport.
Okay.
Yes, but the brand name is Nike, Adidas, Under Armour,
Wow.
Aces.
Okay.
The names are not coming, but
That's fine.
a lot of brands, and they are good, top notch.
I've
Top
seen
notch.
some Crocs down here.
Yeah, I also have Crocs. These ones are casual. Crocs. This is top notch, very unique. You can't see it anyhow.
Yeah.
It's not like a mass product of the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.